Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram private. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps. And after this, if you wanna private your Instagram, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on your profile icon at the bottom, and after this you can click on a three lines icon at the top, and then in here you just click on the setting, and now you can click on the privacy, and after this you can swipe this button until a blue button like this, and after this you can click on the switch to private and finish. So that's how to make your Instagram private. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.